This is Jack, a sales executive. He wakes up early every morning with lots of motivation and enthusiasm and gets ready for a brand new day. Jack takes the subway, boards the train, and reaches his office. His goals are very simple: check emails, call contacts, follow up prospects, close deals, and meet the sales target. But his email is so cluttered with friends' requests, invites, shopping offers, junk mail, auto responses, and more that he actually finds it difficult to keep track of emails from his contacts and prospects. Filters are not working too. Jack is frustrated. We gave him a CRM tool and added his email box inside the CRM so that he can not only keep track of his leads, contacts, and prospects, but can also keep track of emails from his contacts right within his CRM. But he has to constantly switch between tabs. Besides creating tasks, adding notes, and checking contacts, Jack is tired. He skipped his lunch, made a few calls. Jack is losing enthusiasm. Jack is up for another new day and gets ready. He takes the subway, boards the train, and reaches his office. Today, we added Mail Magnet to his CRM tool. This gives Jack an instant notification when his contacts email him. He replies to the contact, adds even a follow-up task. He need not sift through his emails and need not switch between tabs. He had his lunch on time. End of the day, he was closer to hitting his sales target. Plus, he had more time to socialize and network with his dear ones.